Welcome back and thank you for watching. This is another weekend review. In this video we're going to be looking at the Forex market, and we're going to be looking at a handful of tickers and trying to give you guys an idea of where they could be going over the next week. The first pair we're going to look at is the euro dollar, and this is a pair that we were bullish on just a week or two ago. We were giving this trade out for free on our social medias. Make sure to follow us there. And when price was down here in pretty much in this base, we said price is going to break out. This is a bottoming area, and you can see price go to the 112, 113 area, and that is exactly what we got. So on the euro, you can see I formed this nice base right in this area, okay, and then we shot up, and now we're kind of consolidating, as you can see by recent price action. This is actually being recorded Sunday night, so the markets are actually open, and our software is right now pointing that it could now roll over. And if it does roll over, you could probably see it come down to this 112 area, and you'll find support by this this uptrend support line, this rising support line. I'm sorry. So that's kind of our quick opinion on this. I'm trying to keep this video short and blast through a whole bunch of tickers. You could also see the breakout from this declining resistance line on this big day, and it kind of came down, retested it, and then shot up the next move. So you could maybe see it come down and then trade higher, maybe into the 114s. Moving on, let's look at the US dollar, Canadian dollar. This is a pair obviously heavily influenced by oil, and it's just been absolutely dominated by oil over the past, let's say, 2 weeks. But as you can see, it's kind of found this little bottoming area. Over here is proven to be a bottoming area. Over here, and now over here, you can see this is a clear bottom. Now our software, if I zoom this in a little bit, you can see we're kind of about to break out of this. As you can see, we're still in the downtrend by our software, and this is starting to shape up. So if this turns green and a few other things kick in place, our indicator will turn into a bullish buy, and we will go long euro dollar. Excuse me, we'll go long the US dollar CAD, and you'll probably see price trade up into the at least the mid 130s. That's a good price target, or a little bit above 130. I think we'll definitely get through 130 though. Now moving forward, let's look at the dollar yen. Dollar yen's obviously been in this wicked downtrend, and you can see we've pointed this out before. We're dead on in our last video. We talked about this uptrend. It comes up, hits the top of the channel, boom, gets killed. At the bottom of the channel, trade up has a support line, hits the top of the channel, boom, gets killed. Now we're seeing it kind of shape up again, okay, have a little bit of a bottoming area over here, so you could probably see price come up into the 104s, maybe even to the 105s. So that's what you're probably going to see. I'm not going to spend too much time on this because, again, it is been stuck in that down channel, and that's something to just watch out for. Moving on to the Australian dollar, US dollar, and again, this is another pair that's actually struggled a lot last year, and now it's starting to find support again. And you can see this clear uptrend, okay? You got a low over here, if I can just get it. I'm too lazy to change tools. You have another low, and then you have your higher low over there. So now what we think you can see from this is right in this area, right where we are right now, you can see another higher low, and price is going to shape up and come all the way up probably into the 78 cents area, maybe into the mid higher end of that range, and then repeat the process because this is in a very strong bullish uptrend right now. And finally, moving on to our last chart, let's look at the pound dollar. This is a pair that we've said that at these levels over here, it's a no-brainer to buy. You're most likely never going to see the pound dollar get this low again at the 130 level. We've made videos on this. We said this is an absolute time to buy. It's looking like it's, done amazing. It's done absolutely nothing since we've said to buy it. But however, it has now, this could be a double bottom, okay? You have a nice double bottoming pair right here, pattern right here. And what you could probably see is over time, price come up into this $1.37 area, $1.40. A perfect world would be that $1.40. But again, this is a almost near perfect time to buy the pound dollar. Our opinion for that is this is a consolidation period. We think Britain's going to figure their crap out and the pound's going to trade higher. Definitely they've had strong economic numbers over the past week, and it's definitely a really good sign in our opinion as to our current position. We are building a pretty, not very large, but it's a medium-sized position because we are going to hold a longer term. We do need our capital to actively trade, but we do have a long-term position in the pound dollar. We don't plan on getting rid of it. If you like this video, please leave a like and possibly subscribe. And make sure to follow us on all of our social medias, including Twitter and StockTwits, where we post free trades daily. And if you could, visit the website www.nlccapital.com, where you can get access to those free trades and our research, or subscribe to our service, where we are up 75% this year.